Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Newton's laws of motions, how object moves. Have you ever wondered, why is it harder to push a heavy object than a light one? What happens when two objects collide? How do rockets launch into space using Newton's laws? From rocket launches to riding bikes, Newton's laws explain it all. Let's dive in. Newton's first and second laws explain how objects resist changes in motions and how force affects acceleration. The first law, the law of inertia. An object will stay at rest or move at a constant speed in a straight line unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. For example, a ball rolls until friction or another force stops it. The second law, the acceleration of an object depends on the force applied and the object's mass. The formula is equal to force equals mass times acceleration. For example, a heavier object requires more force to move than a lighter one. Newton's third law reveals how every action creates an equal and opposite reaction, shaping how objects interact. The third law, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. For example, when you jump off a boat, the boat moves backward as you push forward. Applications in real life. Rockets. The engine pushes gas downward, pushing the rocket upward. Swimming. Pushing water backward propels you forward. Here are some interesting facts about Newton's laws of motion. Isaac Newton was only 23 when he developed his laws of motion. Newton's laws apply to outer space. When there's no air or gravity, objects keep moving forever unless acted upon. The phrase "an object in motion stays in motion" is commonly used to explain the first law. Roller coasters are designed using Newton's laws to create thrilling loops and drops. Let's quickly recap what we learned about Newton's laws of motion. What is another name for the Newton's first law? The law of inertia. What stops a moving object in the first law? An unbalanced force. Which law explains how rockets launch? Newton's third law. And lastly, what two factors determine the force applied to an object in Newton's second law? Mass and acceleration. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.